I was saying, you could at least give us a little more detail about the project so we could understand it for those of us that weren't around yesterday.
Okay, the project is an AI tool developed from N8N. It is supposed to act as a customer assistant. I actually developed it to help me in my business, cake business. Yeah, that's why I named it Twin Cakery. So you can actually make orders from it if I'm away or kind busy. And since I don't have so much clients from Telegram and those who are there, I think if you prompt it, it can direct you to my WhatsApp group, to my WhatsApp account and email for more information. Yeah. I actually wanted to bring in a Luganda version. I think with the help of Manuel, we shall do it. And also I wanted it to be on WhatsApp, since most of my clients are on WhatsApp.
Please, can you repeat?
Okay, sorry, I thought I was on. I was saying, Manuel, that this AI tool was designed to act like a client or a customer help. It can actually, instead of hiring someone to do that job, you can actually use this one. Customers can make orders from it. Customers can get more information from it. I actually wanted to develop it from WhatsApp, but I think I need to read more docs about creating it on WhatsApp, but we shall do that with Manuel. I know we shall make it together. Actually, someone was here, Jovan, and advised me to make it broad, like it can be open for putting in more like other businesses. Yeah, I think it can be achieved. We just have to edit the functionalities and maybe add someone's business and we sell it out. Yeah. It is still under work. We need to put in more functionalities and a Uganda version. Yeah, because I know most of the Ugandans, I know they will use Luganda, and its response for Luganda text is terrible. Yeah. That's it. Thank you. Yes?
Tracy, will you be able to add in the
Oh,
future?
no, my dear, because most of my clients don't know French. Yeah. Unless I said it out globally, maybe in France. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I
Okay.
have a question. Yeah. What if there are some foreigners and they're actually interested in using Twin Cakery bot? Wouldn't you handle them? Like, if someone is actually using French, let's say, an international language, and then what they find is only English and Luganda, would there be any other alternatives of languages in the bot?
Okay, but I think English is an international language, and actually you can bring in that. I don't know how it is called, but we can bring in that element of translate, like any information or any language, it can be translated to English or to their language.
Yeah, okay. I guess that would be awesome because actually that was what I was about to talk about. If you would add a translation feature, it would be a great one. Yeah, because believe that English and Uganda is not the only one. Then you find some instances where people are well versed with Swahili and they are literally wanting to use your board, or actually like they want to build about what recipes to use in their cakery shops. So I believe that yeah, the feature will do. So adding the translation, uh, yeah, I think it's a great one.
Thank you so much, Maria. Another thing is I want to connect a wallet to it. If someone uses a wallet, that person is discounted. Yeah.
Uh, so I want to ask, because last time I used the Katari bot, it was the same version of like your bot, and I tried to search for pictures and I didn't get a result. So can your bot can your bot view pictures? Like if someone wants or like can it bring out any picture like a type of cakes, such things like that? Can it?
Okay. These AI tools or robots, they can do anything. It depends on what you've assigned it to do. If you tell it that you will generate a picture or you will describe a picture, it can do. All those functionalities can be added into it. It depends on you who's working on it. But I'll consider all those you told me. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Tracy, for your presentation. I think that idea is really wonderful. And I'm wondering, what is the scope of your market? Are you thinking of, you said you want to expand it. So are you thinking of having it being used by only Ugandans, or do you plan to expand it beyond the borders? I just want to understand the scope of your prospective scope for the use of these products.
My bot is globally. Anyone who can take it on, it's open. Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, and then maybe the other question I think I almost forgot is, when we're interacting with applications, there's a concept called user experience. It is simply the convenience and understanding the nature with which people interact with applications. So, from my observation of the application of this tool you built, it is easy to communicate if I can type an instruction or if I can give it a voice. But I'm wondering, is it possible we could add buttons? Because, typing sometimes, there are instances when I personally can't type, not because I have incapacity to type, but I just don't feel like typing. And I would rather that I can simply scroll through an application and touch on whatever I want to touch and instruct the application to do what I want. So, is it possible that we can conveniently add a feature in which someone can just touch on the different parts of the application, even if it's really run by a bot, that they can touch on an application or maybe scroll and instruct an application? Yeah, it could still be within Telegram. Yeah, something like that, so that there's at least all forms of communication with an application available for someone that they could just choose what they want to use.
I think it's possible. I'll make more research about it, but I think it's possible.
Okay, thank you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, these are great innovations. Yeah, let's keep pushing. Uh, the round is almost getting done, and we are excited to see what will be added on in the next round. So, the Telegram bot, Musao bot, I, the platform for uh, posts all information about the central code. We have had ETH signing, sign up for registration. It's exciting. Would really love to see the next steps, like the next builds in the next one. Probably we shall have some other more people in the Discord, but yeah, it's amazing. Thank you. So any feedback, any questions, any interactions, the floor is open.
Thank you so much, Vian. Thank you so much, Vian. We are ready to put more and finish up our projects, and we are so excited about them. It has opened us our minds. We are really excited about it. Yeah, thank you so much for the program.
All right. Any feedback? Mwanje, great DP. Michael, good to see you here. Yes, Mwanje.
Yes, I thought I'd talk about this, the first presentation, just like we was talking about Rise Up, the way we stopped recording attendance there. Sometimes people just forget if the event is happening in a different place and the registration is also in a different place, it gets a bit tricky to register. So people could just attend the event. So if you maybe you plan to integrate it with platforms like Discord, maybe before you join the event you have to first sign in, because the incentive of a token may not excite people who know that that token could be worthless. Maybe if the token has some value, but people who know that the token is actually not worthy anything may not feel incentivized enough to go on that platform, first register for the event that is happening on Discord. So if you could think about that, like integrating it into places like Discord or Google Meets, such that before you join, you have to first go through the registration thing and then you proceed. That was it.
Great feedback. I don't know if you have feedback from anyone. Otherwise, if we don't have any feedback, next Wednesday at 4 p.m. We shall have some dev from Gateway. So I think Gateway, let me put the link here. Gateway.fm. I think that's it. Yeah. So, arrange questions and any opportunities that you would seek. Yeah, we shall have that. So thank you so much. And yeah, here I think we have Tracy. She has something, the women in Web3. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, we've opened up our Twitter account, Women in Web3. I'm going to share a link and follow us.
Okay, so let me share my screen. Or you can share on your computer. Or I should share. Okay, so let me share the link. Please follow them up. We have ladies in the Web3 space at the Central Code, Maria, Tracy, Angela. There is Mama, Judith. So is my screen sharing? Okay, I think now I'm sharing. So this is the tag at web 3 underscore women 53 831. So I think they will have this like changed, but this is the page. You can follow them up. Are you guys seeing my screen?
Yeah, we are seeing it.
So I'm the first follower. Okay, yeah, so this is it. I think we shall. Yeah, you can continue. I think we shall be having more updates from them. They are planning. I have had a lot of plans, Twitter Spaces. Yeah, like encouraging other women, to see the opportunities that are here. Otherwise,
I
is that
have a
yes?
I have a question for people from Web women in Web3. What are the objectives? Are you planning like to onboard because there are really few women in this space, and if you, maybe one of your objective is to onboard or maybe excite or raise awareness among women, it would be very good. What are your plans?
Actually, our plans are sharing knowledge, experiences, hoping to educate others and onboard more women into Web3 space.
I'm seeing I'm the only follower. I should leave here when the other followers. And let's act quick. This is let's push our women. Let me refresh. Maybe I've not refreshed. Yes, you can copy their handle. Let me put it in the. Um, Let me put it here. Okay. If there is there any other announcement? I can also share their link. Probably. Yes. Let's give the women the energy they need to bring other women in the space. Maria,
Yes, please.
maybe you can add on it so that Mr. Mwanje can hear and
Yeah, actually, yes, I think we're going to launch this right. It is really a great idea we came up with, and we realized that there's so many ladies out there that need such an opportunity, or they're literally maybe they don't know that they can, or they think that these things are only for the men, but otherwise they are doable because I'll give a small experience. You join this field, but you do not know your direction. Yeah, so having this as a platform, or even a platform on, or even a space being created on Twitter, or actually call it X, I realize that the sessions that we shall be taking on or pushing forward to these ladies, yeah, I think they will be useful and they will actually create impact. So yeah, we're only having positive energy on this, and Yes, Tracy, I'm great. I would say that I'm grateful, and why not? Ah, okay, yeah. I believe it's really a great strategy. Yeah, and an impact to the community. Yes, we might be seeing it small, but I believe it's a very great opportunity for someone out there that is scared to join tech, let's say, who is also scared on extending their levels from Web 2 to Web 3. So I believe it's really a great strategy. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. We have one other person who has followed. Yeah, so I think we need a clap for that. That's energy. So hopefully by the end of today we shall really have great followers. Yeah. All right, all right. Otherwise, yes.
But why are the women not following their platform?
And we are on it. We're on it. So
Since they have just
we're already following. Don't worry.
created it, I think there is a lot in creating, putting. They have been here writing
Yeah,
objectives. So
we are cooking. Just know we are cooking. And something big is coming up. So just wait at Mwanje.
Mwanje has a valid question. We are waiting for the women to follow. Tewali budde.
naye akafaananyi, you guys need to change the DP.
We'll change it actually.
Tewali budde. Sajja bakuba.
The picture represents the Africa, like we are black. But you can advise Manuel.
Okay, I think advising would not be a good thing. Maybe showing you something would be more helpful. So yeah, I think we can keep in touch and see what we can share later.
We have the chief designer Manuel. He's willing to show us, to show the women.
Thank you, Manuel, for the support. Much appreciated.
We really love the energy. And personally, the reason why I'm not ending the space yet is I'm waiting for the women to follow. I think they have.
I've followed.
Follow too.
Yeah, this is good.
Some of
energy.
you have more than one account. Kindly follow us. Central Code, Kakoza Viane, Web Bishi, Web what? There is that another account. Web, I don't know. That one that even scares me. Informatics. You follow us, please. We are not leaving the space.
This is incredible. I love the energy.
Thank you for the love. Thank you for the love. Oh, yo, informatics.
So yes, this is good. Man, yeah, great support for the women. We cannot do anything less. We need more women in the Web3 space.
Yeah, and kind tag us whenever you post on Twitter. Please include us in the tags.
Okay,
Especially the code.
sorry for the interruption. So something just came up. I was thinking maybe you could use pictures of yourselves, but then this is something that is supposed to inspire Africans, so it should represent Africa, and you guys just selflessly push it. So
Sorry.
yeah, please go ahead.
There is actually another picture I wanted to share. Let me put it in Telegram and you see if it can pass.
Yeah, I think that's a good discussion. Let's discuss on the